Welcome to Power Drill Massacre. This is another public combo game. I know it makes some Alright, yeah, perfect. I know I made like so many public combo games and I make whoa, okay look. Outlast is coming. I just gotta edit and stuff, but don't worry, it's coming soon, guys. So, but right now we're gonna play Power Drill Massacre. So let's get straight into it. Puppet Combo presents.
A comment about. It's probably the terrible right.
This is the worst headache ever, bro. I need to bust.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
But I think I'm alright. It's getting dark. Better get going. Well, better get a flashlight out of the trunk. No settings? Oh. Alright, hold up. Looks like we brought the flashlight with us. We pick up the flashlight. Alright. Wait. There you go. I was like, why is it still VHS? Oh, okay, right here, right here, right here. We got symbol. Looks like some kids are joining Hexagon. Hexagon. Why is it back to first person mode? Oh. I'm not gonna lie. Alright. How do we open this door, bro? Are you sure I'm going the right way? Was it really necessary to do that? But, we're somewhere else. This door is open. Go inside, I guess. What a creepy building. It's locked. Somebody let me in. Oh no, baby girl. Alright, you guys. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of creepy here. A key. Oh my god! Oh my god. 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 I can't read that. Wait. Oh my. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. What happened? The fuck? What's happening? God. What is happening? Am I naked? Don't hurt me, bro. I'm scared. Am I naked? And that's the whole time. And that's how it ended there, because the game just shut off by himself. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it's really short. I did not expect it to be short, but I hope you guys see the video next time for Outlast.